Channel Study Easy. Today we are going to learn about the important rules of Boolean algebra. This is the next chapter of Boolean algebra. The first thing that we need to understand in Boolean algebra is its rule. So let's begin. These are the basic rules. This video will be divided into two parts for the rules only. So today we are going to learn the basic rules, which you can see here, and for your notes you can pause this video right now and write down these 12 rules in a separate page or a book front page. So whenever you open your book or whenever you start doing your work in front of your desk, if this page is sticked, then you will be able to learn it very fast. Okay, let's begin. A plus 0 will be A. Whenever you will be having a question regarding reduction of Boolean algebra equations, these all rules will be helpful to you as well at the time when you need to reach at any solution of any equation. At that time also you will be able to do with the help of these rules. A plus 1 will be 1 always. So A plus 1. Here only A is not the thing that whenever in any equation A is present, then only you can apply. A is somewhat a variable. In maths, anytime we need an extra variable, we used to take X, or we used to take A, B, C, right? Same way here we have taken A as a variable. Here it may be any variable. A into 0 will be 0, A into 1 will be 1, A plus A will be A, not 2A. Here you need to take care. A plus A will be A plus A bar will be 1, A into A will be A again, not A square. A into A bar will be 0. A double bar will be A only. Means whenever at any place, any bracket, if you are having x, y and having a double bracket over both, then also it will be x, y itself. Or if you are having a plus b plus bc, whatever bracket, and the whole bracket is having a 2 bar together, then it will be barless. Means both the bar will be cancel out and the bracket will alone remain at the last. A plus AB will be A. How we will learn in our next part of the rule. A plus A bar B, again it will be A plus B. Here A plus B and A plus C, you can see A and A are common, so you will get A plus BC. How this all come to the result as A plus A is 1? Why this is 1? Because at the time in your circuit implementation, if you are taking A, if this is the A and this is a switch which is always 1, then whatever the A variable is having a input, if A is having at a t1 time 0, means this switch is open, then output will be 1, because here 1 logic is already for the permanent. So all the output will reach. Now if it is 1, A is 1, then half of the input will move toward this way, half of will move toward this way, and reach here, but the result will be again 1. Means at any input of variable you are getting the same output, which is 1. So a plus 1 means any of the variable plus 1 will gives you 1. Again a plus 0 will be a. How? If this switch is open permanently, then no voltage or current will move from input to output from this way. But whatever the position of this switch will be the output of yours. Means A is 0, then no voltage will be here in output. So A output is 0. If this switch is on, then output will be 1. Next, A into 1 will be A. How? Into 1 means it is in a series connection. So A into 1, which is again a closed switch, will gives you A. Because A is 0, then there will be no input moving towards the output. If it is 1, then only your output will reach to its destiny. Next, A into 0 is equal to 0. How? Whatever output A is having, but your input will not going to reach at your output because the connection is cut it down over here. A plus A. Again it is a plus. Addition value means it will be in a parallel. So A plus A will be A. How? If a variable A is having a value 1, then both the switch will be closed. So output will be 1. Means input is 1, that's why output is 1. If it will be 0, means this open. So output input is 0. So output will be 0. Next, A into A. Into means it will be in a series. So here 0, 0, 0. It is 0, 1, again 0, 1, 0, again 0. And 1, 1 will be 1. It means what? Any of the 1 is the output. Again A naught. Okay, not get middle gives you 0 is there. No need to give the explanation of the circuit. Okay, A into A bar. A into A bar means what? Whenever, okay, I left one. A plus A bar. Plus it means it is in a reverse manner. So it is output is 1. Why? If A is 0, then A bar will be 1. So output will be 1. If A is 1, A bar will be 0. Output will again 1. It means any of the input of A variable, output will be 1 always. A into A bar. Here you can see, if it is 0, it will be 1 and output will be 0. If it will be 1, A bar will be 0. So output will be 0. That's why the thing is this. Hope you understood the rules of Boolean algebra. Like this video if you understood. Wait for the next rule video. For that, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So as I upload the next part of rules, which are commutative, descriptive, distributive, this such rule, associative, these 3 rules are going to be explained in my next video. So stay tuned, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.